Find an area in a track to make a selection. Command-click to make a marquee line before the transient you want to select. Use the right arrow key to snap the marquee line to transient. Hold Shift and use the right arrow key to make a selection. Use the key command Command-U to loop the marquee selection. Use the key command Command / to crop the audio region. Select the region and then use the key command Alt bracket to take it back to the top. The region's length is 2 bars, so make a 2-bar cycle on Logic's timeline. Then go to Edit, Tempo, adjust tempo using region length and locators. Click globally to find the tempo. Right-click or Control-click on the audio region and convert to new audio files. Name the region and click Save. Drag the region to the Loops browser to create an Apple loop. Once saved, the Apple loop you created will be found under My Loops in the Loops browser. Once the region has been dragged to the main window, try experimenting with tempo changes. Click on the Flex button to enable Flex View and select Slicing Mode and try experimenting with different quantized values.